Hello everybody, I'm just going to show you the mods that I've done on my daddy's bike. I put the horn on there, the original one being there, just piggybacked them. Also put this mount on. It fits underneath these screws. It's just a piece of metal and all I've done is cover it in electrical tape, and that fits on it like that. Now it's only a TomTom, it's not waterproof. I didn't intend going anywhere in the rain anyway, but if it does, it comes off pretty quick. The cable, let's get around here. The cable, this is the only exposed bit, because it was more preferable than it coming and going down here, because that would flap around. So it goes round there, through there, underneath. All these pegs come out for this, so it goes through there, around there, to there. So that is the end, obviously, of the TomTom, and this is a new plug socket, I call it, 12 volt supply, I put on today. Also it's fused, and I've just taken it direct to the battery. I will be jiggering that after. So there's my mods. And that's how far it is from here to Memphis, Tennessee, because that's my next planned route. Bye bye!